Nothing elevates a holiday home quite like a Stegbar gas strut window. With one effortless push, your kitchen opens straight out onto the deck, creating that seamless indoor-outdoor flow everyone loves. Hi there, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations. I'm at a beautiful holiday house that we've just recently finished renovating, and one of my favourite features of this particular property is the gorgeous gas strut window that we've put connecting the kitchen and the outdoor area. We've been working with Stegbar for what feels like forever, and on every project we've worked with them on, they have nailed the windows and doors 100%. And for this renovation, we've also used their shower screens and built-in wardrobes. So come on in and let me show you. Let's talk bathrooms. Stegbar's shower screens are clean, modern, and minimal, creating a space that feels calm, effortless, and easy to start your day in. And for the wardrobes, we opted for open shelving. Practical for holiday stays, super functional, and they look great in these bedrooms. What we love most is that everything is custom made, nothing off the shelf. Stegbar works with you from your initial inspiration all the way through to installation, making the whole process seamless and stress-free. From windows to doors, from wardrobes to shower screens, Stegbar helps you create a home that's stylish, practical, and built for living. So jump online and check out Stegbar's impressive range.